Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We are fine. Thank you. Yes, fine.
So in the last class, children, we started the new chapter. What is that?
Decimals.
Decimals. Okay. So the word deci means. Yes, Christina, can you tell me what do you mean by the term deci? You are muted. The term deci. Yes. Dara, what do you mean by the term deci?
Can I?
Yes, Akshaj. I don't know whether you are not able to unmute. I don't
10.
believe it. Okay. Yes, 10. The term deci means 10. And we have a decimal point in between the numbers. So that point is the decimal point. And we learned how many parts in decimal numbers? 2 parts. One is whole number part, other is fractional part. This whole number part is also known as integral part. And the fractional part, that is also known as decimal part. Then we learn how to read the numbers. Yes, 3.05. After the decimal, we will separate the digits and read. Yes, 3.74, like that. Then in yesterday's class, what we learned? Expansion of decimal numbers. How to expand decimal numbers. Okay, so listen carefully. Children, we started the new topic. What is that? Decimals. So the term deci means 10. And we learned there are 2 parts in a decimal number. So this part, this is the whole number part. Yes, children?
Yes, sir.
And this is also known as integral part. And this point in between, what is that known as?
Decimal point.
Decimal point. I'm explaining this again because some children were absent. Please pay attention. And if anyone is having any doubt. Okay. Now this number 50. This is the decimal part. And this is also known as fractional part.
Fractional part.
Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then how to read this number, Vaiga? How you can read this number, Vaiga? Very nice, Vaiga, today. I think you have taken bath and all the curry and all in your face. Yes. Can you read the number?
30.50.
Very good. 30.50. After the decimal point, we will split the number and read. Okay, very good. Now, we learned yesterday how to expand the number. For example, 125.53. How we can expand? Aishwarya, tell me.
1 into 10.
Okay, before that, let us write the place values. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, and this is the decimal point. This is 10th, 100th. Okay, now tell me the answer. Yes.
1 into 100.
Very good. 1 is in 100 place. So 1 into 100 plus
2 into 10.
2 into 10. 2 in tens place. Yes.
5 into 1. Plus
5 into
1. Plus 5 into 1.
1. Very good. Now, children, after the decimal point, we started our fractional part. So, you know, 10th, you have to multiply it by 1 by 10. Okay. Now, tell me 5 into
1 by 10.
1 by 10. Very good. 1 by 10 plus
3 into 1 by 100.
3 into 1 by 100. Yes, children, this is what we learned. How to expand the number in decimal form. Here, decimal numbers. How we can expand? So this integral part, this is the same. 1 into 100, 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. After the decimal, we have to multiply 5 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Very good. So what we learned till now, you understand very good. So next, children, we are going to learn convert fractions to decimals. Listen carefully, children. We are going to start the new topic today. Conversions of fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimals. Okay, so here, children, here we are considering with like 10th, 100th, 1000th and all. So here I have a fraction 3 by 10. What is this number?
3 by 10.
3 by 10. I have to write this fraction in decimal form. Okay, so this, children, this is a fraction, 3 parts out of 10. How we can write this in decimal form? Listen carefully, children, all of you. Now here we will first write the numerator. What is the numerator here?
3.
3. We will first write the numerator. Then we have to count the number of zeros in the denominator. What is the denominator here? 10. How many zeros are there?
1 0.
Only 1 0. Yes, children. How many zeros are there?
1 0. 1 0.
Now we are going to place the decimal point. Okay, from the right side. Here only 1 0 means we have to from the right side we will move only one place and put the point. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Count the number of 0. Only 1 0. That means after the decimal point we have only one digit. We should have only one digit. Is that clear? First, what you have to do? Write the numerator. Then from the right side, that is from back right side, you have to place only one point. You have to move and put the decimal point. That is. So here, is there any whole number here, children? Whole number?
No, ma'am.
No. So what you'll do? You will write 0.3. There is no integral part. So C 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. Here. So I will again explain with another example. 7 by 10. So children, what we have to do? We will first write the numerator and check how many zeros are there in the denominator. 1 0. So tell me how we can write this.
0.3. 0.7.
0.7. What is the numerator here? 7. And look, the denominator, we have only 1 0. So from the back, we have to move only one place and put the decimal point. And there is no integral or whole number. So we will place that as 0. Yes, children? Now, if I have a number 2 and 2 by 10, or if I write 2 and 3 by 10. Okay, children. So what will I do? I will write the whole number the same. Okay. After the whole number, I will place the decimal point and write the numerator. What is the numerator here?
3.
So how to read this number? 2.3.
2.3.
Why here we don't put 0? Because we have here the number, the whole number 2. So we don't need to put the 0 over there. Okay, children. So tell me 5 and 2 by 10. How will I write? 5.2. 5.2. Is that clear, children?
Yes,
So after the decimal point, we have only one place. Why? Because in the denominator, we have only 1 0. Is that clear? In the the number of zeros, it should be equal to number of place after the decimal point. Here only one digit. Why? Because here only we have 1 0. Yes?
Ma'am, I have one doubt. What if it was 2 by 200?
We are first learning 10th, my dear Ashwati. Okay? After that, we are going to 100th. Okay? So that is a question in your mind. Very good. So next we will study with 100th. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Yes. So children, Ashwati is having doubt. If there is a denominator is 100, what we will do? Okay. So I will write here 30 by 100. So children, how many zeros are there in the denominator?
2 zeros.
Who said 3?
Aishwarya.
Why Aishwarya? I said how many zero, not how many digits. How many zero?
Ma'am, I didn't say.
Okay. Whoever said, I'm saying to everyone. Okay, not Aishwarya. Who said 3 means we children, we are not counting the 1. We will count only the number of zeros.
3.
Okay. How many are there?
2 zeros.
2 0. So after the decimal point, we should have how many digits? 2 digits. Here also we have 2 digits. So no problem. Check the number of digits are same. Here we have 1, 2. Here also 1.
2.
And children, tell me, is there any number here in the integral part? No. So what we have to do there?
Ma'am, we have to place the 2 zeros.
Only 1 0 needed, my dear.
Okay,
0.30. 0.30. So what did I say? Here we have 2 0. After the decimal point, we should have 2 decimal places. 1, 2. So they are. But here in 10th, children, here we have only 1 0. So after the decimal point, we should have only 1 digit. Is that clear? Now, children,
Ma'am, I
if
have
I
one
say,
more.
listen to me, someone is talking in between. Please, I will give you time. Who is speaking now?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who is speaking now? That tell me.
Ma'am?
Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait. I will give you time. Okay. If I have only 3 by 100, what should I do? Anyway, here there is no number, so I will put 0 point. This fractional part we will write after the decimal point. Here I have 2 digit, but here I have only 1 digit. So what should I do?
Yeah, we will put the 3 and the 0.
3 and 0 means that is same as this one. 30. I got 30 marks out of 100. Is it same as 3 mark out of 100?
No, ma'am.
No, but you said that is correct 0, but this 0 we have to place in front. See, 0, 3, that is the same as 3, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have 3 mark out of 100. Yes, children, I have 3 mark only I got out of 100. So that means 0, 3. Okay, we cannot write 30 marks. Can you will get extra mark for that? Just putting 0, no. So children, please remember, if there is a number only 1 digit and the denominator is having 2 0, where we will place the 0 in front of that number, not after the number. Yes, before the number. Okay, we will do some more questions. Here, if I have 75 by 100, how we will write the decimal number?
Ma'am, we will put 0.75.
0 point, how to read the number? 75. Okay, we cannot read 75. We will read 0.75. Very good. See, children, here we have only 2 digits. Yes, 2 0. And after the decimal point, how many digits we have? After the decimal point, we have 7 and 5. 2 digits. So they are same. Same.
Yes.
Okay. But if I have only 9 out of 100, I should get 2 decimal place because I have 2 zeros in the denominator. But in the numerator, I have only 1 9. What should I do? Very good. 0.09. 0.09. 0.09. So children, listen to me. Tell me, how can I write 90 by 100? 90. Okay, 0.90. Yes, is that clear? What is the difference between 9 and 90?
Yes, ma'am.
9 we can write only 0.09 because if you write 0 in the front, there is no value. So 0.9 means it is only 9. But here we have 0.90 because here we have 2 digits. In the denominator also we have 20. Okay, now Evelyn. Yes, what's your doubt?
It is clear now.
It's clear. That's before teaching. You should wait. No, when I finish everything, I will come back to you. Okay, children. So I will give you some more questions. Then we will start with our workbook questions. All the children, please take your rough book. Then write the heading.
Questions in the WhatsApp.
Workbook, please wait. Okay, before that, we have to do in the rough book. Conversions of, write again. Conversions of fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimals.
Where we want to write?
This one in the rough book. Rough book. Conversions of fractions to decimals. Question number 1. 18 and 2 by 10. Next one, question number 2. 43 and 5 by 10. Question number 3, 26 and 1 by 10. Four and 9 by 10. We have to write these numbers in decimal form. So children, here we have, first one I will help you. Integral part. Can you see the whole number or integral part? What's that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? So integral part we have to write before the decimal point. 18. Write the number. Then put the decimal point.
Ma'am, and 2.
Yes, 2.
2.
18.2. After writing, children, you have to check whether you have written correctly, because check the number of zeros in the denominator. Here we have only 1 0. So after the decimal point, we have only 1 decimal place. Now, this question number 2, 3, 4, you can do it now.
Okay, ma'am. The first question also we have to do, right?
Yes, first also you had to do. That is for you to practice. The other thing you have to do alone.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm here complete.
Those who complete, please wait. I will call one by one.
Ma'am, Ashwati finished, ma'am.
Yes, Ahmad, did you understand? You were not there in the last 2 classes. Can you tell me the answer of question number 2? Question number 2, 43 and 5 by 10. How to write that in the decimal form?
Yes, ma'am.
How to write in the decimal form?
43
43.
and
Point. Okay.
5.
5. Very good. See, we have only 1 0, and after the decimal point, we have only 1 number. See, here I have given only with the tens place. Only 10th place we have here. Some children here, the videos are off. Adit, give me the answer of question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 3.
Yes.
Ma'am, 26.1. Ma'am.
26 point. Yes.
One.
Someone else is talking. 26.1. Yes.
Next, can I?
Who is that I?
Zia.
Okay, Zia.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 4.9.
Yes, 4.9. Very good. Please, children, please check whether you got all this correct. See, here we have all the numbers with only the denominator 10. So after the decimal, you have only 1 decimal place. Okay. How many got all correct, children? Can you raise your hand? Yes, Evelyn, I can say. Yes. Is there any doubt? What we learned today? Conversion of fractions to decimals. Don't forget what we are learning today, and you have to revise, because tomorrow in the next class we will learn decimal to back again to a fraction. We will convert decimal to fraction. So today we are learning only fractions to decimals. So you have to be very attentive. Then we will do one more with the 100th place. 100th place. Yes, children, do it fast. Next one, question number 25 by 100. This is 5th question. 25 by 100, 17 and 2 by 100. We will do only 5 and 6. Then we will start in the workbook. See, children, here, please see that here we have 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places.
In 5th question number.
What?
You not write 25th question in left side. No, you not write number.
Yes, yes, 5 and 6, yes. Because here we have done till 4 question, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are doing 5th one.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am,
So children, tell me, is there any number here as the whole number?
No.
No. So what we have to do? We have to place a
0.
0. After that, we have to place the decimal point. Look here, here we have 2 0. So here also 2. So what we have to do? Just write the number. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also, children, the integral part is what?
17.
17. So after the integral part, we have to place the decimal point. Here, children, we have 2 0, but here we have only one number.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. 17.02.
Very good. 17.02. Can I write 17.20?
No.
No. Then it will become 20. Yes, but here I have only 2. So how will I write the number? We have to write 1 0 in front.
02.
Okay, 17.02. Very good. So children, you very good children. You are following faster. So can you please take out your math workbook, page number 40? Yes, yes, I can see that I all got correct. All of you got correct. Yes.
Ma'am, I
Page number
didn't
40.
write the 9th question.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Page number 40. Yes, I will share the screen. By the time, take your math workbook, children, faster.
Ma'am,
Page number 40. And please wait. No need to tell ma'am I got the page. Someone is writing, someone is talking. No. Be quiet.
Page number 39.
Ma'am, see complete.
Page number 39.
How many questions do you take yesterday's class? I was not there. I joined late.
Children, it was.
Till 10th question.
Wait, my dear, wait. Page number 40. We are going to start from question number 10. Yesterday we were not doing. Yesterday we were learning expansion of numbers.
Ma'am,
We have
I
not
didn't
started.
do. Ma'am,
Yes, Vaiga, please read question number 10.
convert the fraction 4 by
4 and 57 by 100.
4 and 57 by 100 into its decimal form.
Decimal form. So children, question number 10, we can write the answer. 4 and 57 by 100. 4 and 57 by 100. So what is the meaning here? We have a whole number 4 plus we have a fractional part 57 by 100. Yes, children, you have to write this step. I think you have 2 lines. So how to write this, children? 4 is the integral part. After that, we will put the decimal point. Here 2 digits, here also 2 digits. So what we have to do? We have to just write 4.57. Yes, children, clear?
Yes.
We were doing all these questions in the rough book, but we have not done this plus only. Here what is the meaning? We have to add the whole number and the fractional part we are writing. Yes.
The decimal number is known
Please
as.
mute your device. You can read in your mind or you can mute your device.
Ma'am, next can I read 11th question?
Some children, I cannot hear. Anamika, can you read question number 11? I will call one by one children. Please wait. Anamika, some children when I'm calling, they are not able to unmute or they have facing some network issue. That's why I cannot call others. Yes, Anamika? Are you
Can-
speaking? It's not audible. Not audible, my dear. That's the problem. When I call different children, I don't get any response. Agnal Baiju, can you read the question number 11?
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 11.
Convert the fraction 49 by 100 into the decimal form.
Okay, 49 by 100. Children, what's the answer?
0.49.
How to read, my dear?
0.49.
We will not read 49, but we will read 0.49. Okay, 0.49. Okay, 0.49. Question number 12.
Can I read?
Yes. When I say, I cannot see who is speaking. Who is speaking that?
We can read.
Now,
Zia
be
can-
quiet, be quiet. Let me see. Who's the...
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Evelyn, please read. Evelyn.
Okay, ma'am. 12th question. Convert the decimal 26.4 into a fraction.
Okay. No need that. Question number 13. 13. That this we will study in the next class. Question number 13A. Read
Okay.
that. 5
Okay,
and
5 by 3. 5 3 by 10.
yes, 5 and 3 by 10. So children, what we can write here? Simply you can write 5 plus 3 by 10 or 5.3. Yes. 5 is the whole number and 3 is the decimal part. We will do question number B also, then we will wind up. 2 and 3 by 100.
And 2 by 3.
2 and 3 by 2.03. Very good. See children, here we have two places. Here we have only one. So we have to place a 0 in front. So 2.03. Very good. So here we have only in question number 13, we have only one digit. So after the decimal point, we have only one. Here only 1 0. After the decimal point, we have only one digit. Here we have 2 0. So we have after the decimal point also two spaces, two places. Is that okay? Now I will take the attendance.